What if I told you that a simple $40 oil change mistake could destroy a $5,000 engine? Most drivers think, I got my oil changed, so I'm good. But the truth is, one wrong move can turn that small service into an engine killer. Stick with me, because I'm going to reveal the 5 most expensive oil change mistakes that smart drivers never make. Point 1. Waiting too long between oil changes. First up, the classic mistake, waiting too long. Modern engines are tougher than ever, but oil isn't magic. Over time it breaks down, collects dirt, and turns into sludge. And sludge doesn't lubricate, it suffocates. I've seen engines seize up just because someone thought, I'll push it another 1,000 miles. That one extra month can be the difference between a $60 oil change and a $6,000 engine rebuild. Point 2. Using the wrong oil. Next, using the wrong oil. This one shocks people because oil looks the same, right? Wrong. Your car needs a specific grade like 5W20 or OW30 engineered for its temperature and performance. If you grab the wrong type, your engine either runs too hot or too cold. It's like putting soda in your coffee machine. It'll technically run, but it won't end well. Point 3. Overfilling or underfilling oil. Here's the sneaky mistake most dealers make: overfilling or underfilling. Too little oil, and your engine runs dry, metal grinding on metal. Too much, and the crankshaft whips that oil into foam. And foamy oil can't protect your engine. It's like washing your hands with bubbles instead of water. Both mistakes lead to, you guessed it, catastrophic engine damage. And no, topping off with a little extra, just in case, isn't being careful, it's being careless. Your car isn't a Thanksgiving turkey. You don't want to overfill it. Point 4. Ignoring the oil filter. Mistake number 4. Ignoring the oil filter. Changing oil without swapping the filter is like brushing your teeth and putting the old toothbrush back in your mouth. That dirty filter keeps cycling old contaminants through your engine. Think of it as your car's kidney. If it's clogged, the whole system suffers. Point 5. Tightening the drain plug too much. And finally, the silent wallet drainer. Over tightening the drain plug, people crank it down thinking tighter is better. But one twist too far, and you strip the oil pan threads. Fixing that means hundreds, sometimes thousands, in repair bills. All because of one stubborn bolt. So here's the big question: are oil changes really about oil, or about attention to detail? The truth is, every small choice adds up. Get it right, and your car rewards you with years of smooth, reliable driving. Get it wrong, and it punishes your wallet. But now you're in control. You know the 5 deadly mistakes, and you know how to avoid them. That means less money wasted at the shop and more money staying in your pocket where it belongs. If you want to keep making smarter, wealthier choices with your car, hit subscribe and join us here at Auto Repair, your one-stop shop for everything automotive, because knowledge isn't just power, it's savings.